Hey Laradas, welcome back to the channel, and it's your girl Tasha. If you are new, I know I'm looking dull, dry, and crazy, but it's snowing in Atlanta and I'm stuck in the house and in the house bored. So if you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to do a microdermabrasion facial. Your girl needs a facial. This is something that I try to incorporate into my beauty maintenance once a month, and I love to do it at home. So anytime I have the opportunity to do some beauty maintenance at home and save me a couple $100, I'm down for it. So I received a microdermabrasion machine from Mychway, and I've been using it and loving it, you guys. So if you're wondering what the benefits of microdermabrasion are, they are plentiful, okay? It gets rid of dull skin, rough skin texture, reduces and eliminates pores and acne scars, reduces dark spots, smooths fine lines, and just makes your skin baby smooth. It also helps all of your makeup and skincare products penetrate into the skin deeper. And for me, the results are almost instant. Like as soon as you get up from having a microdermabrasion facial, your skin is instantly smooth. It is a exfoliation treatment, so you are removing your top layer of your skin, which makes your skin sensitive and just more brighter and just smooth. So I wanted to show you all the machine that I have, because y'all know I am such a DIY girly, so I was ecstatic to get this machine and be able to do them at home and save some coin. So let's get into the machine and everything that it comes with. It's super affordable, guys. It's less than $100, so I definitely want to show you, just in case you're thinking about, you know, getting something like this for at home if you're a mom and you can't make it to get a facial every month, or if you are on a budget and you just can't afford to go get a facial. This is a great option for you to be able to keep your maintenance up at home. So this is the microdermabrasion machine that we are going to be using, and I want to thank Mychway for sending over this machine. It's super simple to use, you guys, super beginner friendly. I've only used it once before and it was super easy, and I fell in love with the results. So I'm going to go over everything that it came with so that you can see. It's less than $100, you guys, and microdermabrasion facials usually start at $120. So yeah. First, you have your handle. Now, I already have the medium-sized tip on there, because that is the one that we're going to be using for the face. But this is the medium-sized one, and then you see that little white thing in there. That is the filter where your skin and impurities and everything is going to stick to once you do your microdermabrasion, which also comes with the machine. So I already just put the tip on there, but it does come with 2 other tips. And these are all diamond tips, which are what the professionals use when they perform microdermabrasion. This is a bigger size tip, which is more for the body, because you can perform microdermabrasion on your body, arms, legs, places of that nature. So that is the correct size tip for that. This smaller tip is going to be used for the nose area. Of course, it is a smaller size for a more sensitive and smaller area. And then also it comes with 2 glass tips. So the first glass tip is more for bringing circulation back into the skin. So once you're done with your treatment, you just go all over the face with this and bring blood flow back into your face. And then the next glass tip is more for unclogging pores, getting rid of blackheads. So you will go all over with this to pull those impurities out of your skin. And my favorite part about this machine is that it comes with this spray bottle, and you will put your toner in here, or a toner and serum mix, or micellar water, which is what I use, just to bring some hydration back to the skin and soothe it a little bit after the treatment, because your skin will be sensitive. Of course, it comes with the suction hose. This is your on and off button, and this is your release button that you will put into the spray bottle. You remove it from the suction tip and put it in the release side to use the spray bottle. And then of course it comes with a clear plate to hold all of your tips. So let's get into this microdermabrasion facial, because I'm excited to show you guys how this little machine works. All right, so y'all are going to do this with me step by step, okay? so that you will have a reference when you want to do this yourself. You can always come on back to this video and get your microdermabrasion done. So I am going to double cleanse because I am a double cleanse girly, and I'm going to go in with my Anua cleansing oil. Now I like to always go in with the oil-based cleanser first and then go in with a water-based cleanser, just to break down any makeup or, you know, anything that's stubborn on my face. And if you have not heard of Anua or know what the Anua brand is, they are a Korean skincare brand. And with this, you want to rub in your nose and get rid of all of that sebum. It gets rid of all of that. So I rarely have to do extractions. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but it gets rid of like all of that dead skin and stuff around your nose area, blackheads, whiteheads, all of it. Okay, so we have rinsed off the oil-based cleanser. So now I'm going to go in with my water-based cleanser, which is my favorite, my La Roche-Posay. So now that our skin is all cleansed, you want to go ahead and go in with some toner. Now I am using this Pretty Skin Rice Niacinamide toner. And I'm just going to put some on like a cotton pad. All right. Make sure your face is clean. That's how your cotton pad should look after you cleanse your face, to make sure you have everything out of it. Now, I'm going to let this toner dry down a bit because your skin needs to be dry during microdermabrasion. For best results, your skin absolutely needs to be dry. So let your skin completely dry before you start your treatment. All right, so my face is completely dry now. I had to put my hair in a little claw clip, you know, because it's about to get serious. You know what they say when she pin her hair up. So it's about to get serious, y'all. So I am going to take my tip. This is the medium one. And I'm going to turn on my machine. Now, when you do this, you want to set your suction to what you can tolerate. Let me take my wristbands off. To what you can tolerate. I'm going to show you on my arm, as you can hear it. I'm going to turn mine up to like max because I can take a pretty, you know, tight suction, but that's what it's going to be doing to your skin. And you know, let me turn this off so you can hear me. So you want to drain towards your lymph nodes, you guys. So of course, you know, they're all around here, the parameters of your face. That is the direction that you want to push out towards, to drain towards those lymph nodes. Okay, so in the nose area, you go down, forehead, you go up, up, up. I will put a graph up to show you the direction that you're supposed to be going in. And then yes, we avoid the under eye area because of course it is super sensitive and you do not need to be suctioning and tugging on your under eye. So as you can see, I might be in some awkward positions. That's just to make sure I'm pulling the skin correctly, but I'm going to show you guys. So have it in, and I'm just going to pull my skin like this. Make sure I have enough leeway with my hose. But yeah, I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna pull. And it's quick strokes, you guys. Super quick. If a stroke is too long, like for me, how it's breaking like this because it's too long of an area, then you could just start in the area and then finish it back here. Like I said, you want to be very quick because it is sucking on your skin and you don't want to get bruising. So I'm just going to continue. I guess I can hold it like this. And then continue back here. Like I said, to your lymph node, you guys. Now on the forehead. You can kind of see it's so much smoother compared to this side. All right, so I have changed the tip so that we can do the nose area. Y'all, I don't know, like I said, if the camera is picking it up, but my skin is so smooth. I just feel like I dermaplaned, you know? Got rid of that fuzzy hair, but this actually gets rid of the hair and the skin, not just the fuzzy hair. So it's gonna do the nose area. Got a little stash, that'll do ya. So I'm gonna go in with the glass tip just to bring some circulation back to my skin. And you have to hold this little hole over here for the suction. You just have to lift your finger off of it to release the suction. Now this part doesn't remove any hair. It just gets rid of, it just promotes circulation. Or any skin, I'm sorry. This doesn't get rid of any skin. Super quick and easy, you guys. Like I said, super beginner friendly. Like, and my skin, it just feels so smooth. I definitely can feel that I removed some skin. I definitely can feel that, but it doesn't feel like it's not burning or itchy or anything like that. You want to go back in with that toner that you use, preferably something that is calming and soothing. You don't want anything with any acids in it. So I'm just going to go back in with that niacinamide toner and just soothe that skin. Because like I said, you can feel that you removed a layer of skin. And after you use your toner, you want to go in and apply some type of cooling mask. Y'all probably have seen this in one of my self-care videos before. This is one of my favorite calming, soothing collagen masks, also Korean. I find these at TJ Maxx, but they have them on Amazon as well. I checked. They just have so much product on them. I absolutely love, 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 love. And I know the correct way to do a sheet mask, I was supposed to cut the nose part, but oh, that just feels so good after that. Like, Yes, immediately after. All right, so I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to come back and finish off the rest of the routine. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my mask off. It's been about 20 minutes. And just look at that, y'all. Oh, that is just so satisfying. And what I like to do, I like to take whatever was left in the package and like rub that in as well. Rub all that goodness into your skin. Now that your products from your mask has dried down, I'm going to go in with my Medicube Pink Peptide Serum. This is also good for fine lines, dark spots, hydration, soothing the skin. It's bomb. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and it is pink. And I'm just going to place that on my skin where I want it to be. Rub that in. And then look how it just hydrates and just have that skin on glass. When I tell you I love Korean skincare, I love it. I love healthy skin. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of moisturizer, and I love the Beauty by Joseon Dynasty Cream. So that's what I'm going to use. Just take a little bit out, just a little, and just smooth it on my skin. This is a very lightweight moisturizer, but very hydrating. Like, it's water-based, but not watery. You understand? And it gives you a really good luster. And I think it's going to pair well with that serum. Oh, man. Ain't nothing like a good little... facial. Oh my goodness. And can y'all believe, look at that. Can y'all believe that we are achieving this skin at home? At home. My lip's still crusty, but it's all about the skin. Oh my goodness. Now, if you're not going anywhere, then you can stop here. I am not. I will be in the house, but of course, if you were going out, you definitely want to add your SPF in your sunscreen. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and add my lip gloss or my little lip treatment, and of course it is none other than Topicals Slick Salve. That is my girl, just to finish off that glass skin look. All right, you guys, that is it. Look at our face. It is definitely on glass, super smooth, hydrated. Products are going to be eaten down to the bone to make sure our skin is everything. Definitely think that this is a great investment for you to be able to do this treatment at home and save you $120 plus a pop. Like I said, very affordable, less than $100. All information about this machine will be linked. I will also have a coupon code so that you can save a little bit more coin on it. And yes, I hope that this video was easy to follow. I hope it helped a lot, and I hope that it will help you when you get your machine to do your microdermabrasion at home. And y'all know, like I always say, I love you. Thank you for being here. And until next time, I love you. Bye. Skin eating.